Okay, welcome to your Math 10 college algebra course. I just want to quickly go through kind of a quick rundown of looking at Canvas here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and here you have your landing page. This is just a welcome to college algebra. And then here is the Canvas and WebAssign course navigation video that I sent out to you. So make sure that you go ahead and take a look at that so it explains on how to use Canvas and also WebAssign for your exercises. Okay, so then here right below that says getting started. So here is the introduction. This is the course structure, the course content. This is the instructor contact information. Let me go ahead and click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to give you the biography of myself. And then if you scroll down a little further, okay, what you're going to see is the office hours that I'm available during Zoom. Right below that is a Zoom guide for students. So if you haven't used Zoom before, you can go ahead and click on that, and it explains on how to download it so that once you click on the meeting ID, it'll take you directly to the student office hours that you can see here. Now, let's say that you are unable to meet at those times. I highly recommend that you contact me and say, well, I can't meet at this particular time for me to ask you a question. So is there another time available? And then if I'm available, then we can figure that out and then go from there. Okay. So again, that is the information there for the contact information. Okay, let's go back to the modules here. Okay, then if you scroll down a little further, here's the textbook. You have the syllabus, and then you have the grade book. Being successful in this course, in this class, the course schedule, all this information is on your syllabus. One important thing here down below here says questions about the course. Please go in here because let's say that you are unable to, you have a question and I'm not available for be able to answer during outside of office hours. Well, if you click in here, there might be a question that's already been answered and I'll put them in here. Okay, and then the rest of the information here as you scroll down a little further. This is the course objectives, the SLOs, and then it says Learn Desmos. This is a calculator that I use online for some of the demonstrations in our course. It is not required, but it is something that I use so that you can get familiar with. And then below that, you see the student support sources, resources for Canvas, and so on. Okay, so let me go ahead and come back up here. Now we're going to go to the course for Chapter 1, Prerequisites. Okay, so for Chapter 1 Prerequisites, this is not required. This is a review of the information that you would have prior to coming into this class. So what you can do here is you can see the prerequisite introduction video. You can watch that first. Okay, here's the learning objectives. Here are the lecture videos that I put on there, and then you can practice. So if you need to come back and practice some things that you need to work on that are prerequisites for the course, you can go ahead and do that here. Okay. And then week 1 is where you want to start. So if you select the drop-down menu here, you have Chapter 2 and Chapter 3. So week 1, you're covering sections 2.1 through 3.1. Okay, and then if you click on week 1 outline, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to tell you, okay, number 1, make sure to complete both of the following assignments, the orientation assignment and the introduction assignment. Number 2, you can download and print the guided notebook for each section, and that is in each lecture. Number 3, you're going to make your way through the lecture videos for each section and then do the following. You first need to locate and complete the video assignments on Canvas, and then locate and complete the homework assignments on WebAssign. So here you can see here what needs to be completed for week 1. So these are the video assignments, homework, video assignments, and homework. So then you're going to complete all those assignments, and then once you finish those assignments at the end of the week, then you're going to complete the quiz. So these are the instructions for the quiz. And there is the password for the quiz. Okay, let me go back to that. So again, each week is going to have an outline. Here you have your orientation assignment, and here's your introduction assignment. And then if you look below here, here's the lecture videos. So if you select, this is what you want to do. This is how you start off. Select the lecture videos, okay? And then here's the outline of the section. And then you have the option of being able to then download and print the guided notes. Okay, and then this is where you can find the textbook, the online free textbook. And then below that, you're going to find the videos that I've created for each particular example of this lecture, okay? And then at the very bottom, you're going to see the lecture notes that have been completed, okay? So for each section, this is how you would go about each particular section, okay? Let me go back to the modules here. All right, and then once you finish watching the lecture videos, then you're going to go to the video lecture assignment. So this is the video assignment. So this is like your classwork assignment. You want to be able to complete that. Once you complete that, then you're going to go ahead and then select Math 10, the homework assignment, which is on WebAssign, and I have a video of how to be able to access that. And then right below that are your WebAssign homework videos that I post. Now, not every single section is going to have all the homework videos, but I'm going ahead to put in as many as I can. So here, if you go to WebAssign Homework 2.1 videos, let's say that you're having, a question that you need and no one else is available to be able to answer. Well, if you look in here, I've gone through and made a particular question in here so that you can see each question as you go through that, okay? So some of these videos look like there's a broken link. So I'll go ahead and come back and make sure that this works. So I'll go back and make sure that these are working for you so that you're able to see those questions. Okay. All right. And so therefore you want to access that. So again, this is what you're going to do for each section. So 2.1, watch a lecture video, do the video assignment, do the homework. Watch the WebAssign homework to help you. Again, section 2.2, you're going to go to 2.2, you have your lecture videos, the video assignment, the homework, and then you can watch the lecture videos. Okay, and now if we go down to the very bottom, this is where your quiz is going to locate it. Okay, and then in your quiz, it says quiz 1 upload work. You need to do this for each particular quiz. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And when you click on that, you're going to see it says, please make sure to upload your work for quiz 1. Now, it says below you will find an example of showing your work in chronological order. So when you click on this, okay, you're going to see what this looks like. So for example number 1, you're going to show your work on a piece of paper and then answer the question correctly. There, number 2, same thing. Show your work and then answer your result. Again, show your work. So this is what you're going to do for each question, and then once you're done writing it in chronological order, you're going to upload it to where it says upload your document. If you need extra help with this, you're always welcome to come and see me during office hours. So again, this is kind of what each week is going to look like. So therefore, there is week 1, and that's exactly what you need to do for the first week. And then for week 2, same idea. You have your lecture videos, you have your week 2 outline with the password, and so on. Okay. Now again, don't hesitate to contact me. If you are unable to meet during those office hours, then we can figure out a time that will help. Again, let me know. Welcome to the class. Good luck in the first week, and looking forward to meeting you. All right. Have a great day. Thank you.